Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have everything they desire, while others struggle to make ends meet? Today, we delve into a concept that attempts to answer this question, the law of attraction. This principle proposes that we have the power to shape our own destinies through our thoughts. Imagine your mind as a magnet, pulling towards it what it focuses on. The law of attraction operates on this very principle. It suggests that our positive or negative thoughts have the power to manifest positive or negative experiences in our lives. It's like tuning a radio. The frequency you tune into determines the music you hear. Similarly, the energy you emit through your thoughts attracts circumstances of the same frequency. This concept is not about wishful thinking or blind optimism. It's about consciously directing your thoughts towards desired outcomes. So remember, the law of attraction is not a magical potion, but a mindset that can transform your life. The law of attraction is a philosophy suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts result in negative outcomes. To fully grasp this concept, let's break it down into 3 fundamental steps. Ask, believe, and receive. Firstly, the ask step. This is where you identify what you truly desire in life. It could be a dream job, a loving relationship, or simply peace of mind. The important thing is to be clear about your wishes, as clarity is the foundation of manifestation. Visualize your wants as if they are already part of your reality. Next, we move on to the believe step. Belief is the cornerstone of the law of attraction. It's not enough to simply ask for what you want. You must genuinely believe that it's possible to attain it. This belief should be unwavering, despite any obstacles that may appear in your path. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you emit. So if you believe with all your heart, the universe will start aligning events and circumstances in your favor. Lastly, we have the receive step. This is where the magic happens. Once you've asked for what you want and believed in its possibility, you then need to be ready to receive it. This might mean making room in your life for your desires to manifest. It could also involve maintaining an attitude of gratitude, as this promotes positive energy and attracts more blessings. It's also worth noting that the law of attraction doesn't differentiate between small and big desires. To the universe, all requests are equal. So whether you're asking for a cup of coffee or a life-changing event, the process is the same. However, it's essential to remember that the law of attraction isn't a magic wand that will instantly grant all your wishes. It's a process that requires patience, persistence, and faith. In essence, the law of attraction is about focusing on what you want, believing you can have it, and then receiving it. Positivity is a powerful tool. It can change how you view the world and, in turn, how the world responds to you. Just as a glass can be seen as half empty or half full, our perspectives on life can be swayed by the power of positivity. It's about choosing to see the silver lining, the opportunity in adversity, the beauty in the ordinary. This isn't just about burying your head in the sand and ignoring the negative. It's about choosing to focus on the positive to cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility. Positive affirmations are one way to maintain this positive mindset. They are simple, powerful statements that you repeat to yourself, affirming your worth, your potential, and your ability to achieve your goals. These could be as straightforward as "I am capable" or "I am worthy of love and respect." These affirmations are not just empty words. They are declarations of truth that help to rewire your brain, replacing negative thought patterns with positive ones. The beauty of positive affirmations is that they are personal to you. They should resonate with your dreams, your goals, your values. The more you believe in them, the more powerful they become. With repetition, these affirmations can become a part of your subconscious mind, influencing your thoughts, actions, and reactions. Positivity also plays a crucial role in the law of attraction. The law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. This means that if you are radiating positivity, you will attract more positive experiences into your life. It's not about pretending that everything is perfect, but about projecting positivity and expecting good things to happen. In essence, positivity is a magnet. It draws in opportunities, people, and experiences that align with your positive outlook. It's a powerful tool that, when harnessed correctly, can create a ripple effect of positivity in your life and the lives of those around you. So let's choose positivity. Let's choose to see the glass as half full. Let's choose to believe in our potential, our worth, and our ability to achieve our goals. Because with positivity, you're setting yourself up for success. Positive affirmations are statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. So let's dive right into 10 powerful affirmations that can transform your day-to-day reality. Firstly, I'm capable of achieving my goals. This affirmation reminds you that you possess all the abilities and resources you need to reach your objectives. It's a powerful statement of self-belief and determination. Secondly, I am deserving of happiness and success. Often we may subconsciously feel that we're not worthy of the good things in life. This affirmation challenges that belief and reaffirms your right to joy and achievement. Thirdly, I am in control of my life. This helps to assert your personal agency, reinforce your power to make choices and shape your own destiny. It's a reminder that you hold the steering wheel of your life. Fourth affirmation is, I am attracting wealth and prosperity. This affirmation taps into the concept of the law of attraction and encourages a mindset of abundance. Next, I am confident in my abilities. This affirmation boosts your self-esteem and reinforces your faith in your skills and talents. It's a powerful statement to use ahead of challenges or new experiences. Number 6, I am grateful for the good in my life. Gratitude is a potent force in positive thinking. This affirmation helps you to focus on the positive aspects of your life, fostering an attitude of appreciation. Seventh, I am growing and becoming better every day. This affirmation encourages a growth mindset, reminding you that every day is an opportunity for personal development and self-improvement. Eighth affirmation is, I am loved and cherished. This statement reinforces your belief in your worthiness of love and affection. It's a reminder that you are valued and cared for. Next, I am releasing negative thoughts and feelings. This affirmation aids in letting go of negativity, encouraging a more positive and optimistic outlook. And finally, the 10th affirmation, I am creating the life I desire. This statement empowers you to actively shape your reality, encouraging a proactive approach to life. These affirmations can help you maintain a positive mindset and attract the life you desire. Remember, the power of these affirmations lies in their repetition. Say them to yourself daily, believe in them, and watch as they reshape your thoughts, attitudes, and ultimately, your life. You hold the power to manifest your dreams. So take these affirmations, make them your own, and let them guide you towards the life you've always wanted. In a world where negativity can often be overwhelming, the law of attraction offers a beacon of positivity. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked on together. We've delved into the depths of our internal power and understood how we can harness it to manifest our aspirations. We've realized that the law of attraction isn't just a concept, it's a lifestyle that encourages us to believe in the power of our thoughts and feelings, to understand that like attracts like, and to acknowledge that what we focus on, we attract. We've learned that positivity isn't just a state of mind, it's a force that can alter our life's trajectory. We've understood that the energy we radiate is the energy we attract. Positivity, then, becomes more than just an attitude. It becomes a lifestyle that empowers us to attract the life we desire. In our journey, we've also discovered the power of affirmations. These aren't just words, they're our beliefs, our desires, our goals articulated into existence. We've explored 10 powerful affirmations, each with the potential to transform our lives. Today, I choose joy. I am enough. I am worthy of love and respect. I am surrounded by abundance. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am a magnet for positivity. I am free from negativity. I am in control of my happiness. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. And my potential is limitless. These affirmations are not just statements, they're commitments we make to ourselves, commitments that shape our reality. The power lies within us to cultivate positivity, to attract abundance, and to manifest our dreams. As we wrap up, I encourage you to practice these affirmations daily. Write them down, say them out loud, believe in them, and watch as your life transforms. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality.
Recuerda, suscríbete al canal, activa las notificaciones y así recibirás aviso de todos los vídeos que subo periódicamente, con la única finalidad de ayudarte y darte a conocer técnicas y consejos para que consigas tener una vida más feliz. Si te ha gustado el vídeo, dame un like en apoyo al canal y espero verte pronto. Brilla con luz propia.